Here comes the 2-1. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Here comes a 2-2. Now he takes something off there as this is skied out to deep center field. Gore is back and he'll get there to make the play for route number 2.
That ball was hit well, and it might have been a different story if he pulled it. Instead, he hit it to the big part of the ballpark, and he's retired.
Logan Schaefer will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the 6th.
2 down now. Hey, here we go. Take the easy way. Here we go. Here we go.
First pitch coming. And he gets a piece here as this ball is fouled away. Both teams with 6 hits so far. He's ready now. The pitch. Fastball, and he's quickly in the hole, 0-2.
Things were looking pretty good for him when they got the first 2 men of the inning to reach, but it's all gone downhill since then.
Hey, let her rip one time. Shut him down. Here we go. Shut him down.
From the belt, the pitch. Tried to work it back to that low inside corner, but it misses. 1-2. No runs on 6 hits and 3 errors for these guys so far tonight. Here comes a 1-2. Now a ball lined towards center field, and that's in there. Base hit around third and being waved on home. Now the relay home, and the runner is in from second.
You think he was looking for a fastball there? I think he was. That's about as hard a hit ball as you're going to see, and he was right on that one.
Two down.
Into the box now, Juan Centeno, as he'll pick on the first pitch and hit a ground ball towards second. Throw on to first gets him, and the side is retired. So it's a run on 3 hits, no errors, and 2 men left on. To the bottom of the 6th inning, the Storm Chasers lead it 9-1. Catfish Brown will get another crack, 1 for 3 thus far.
Catfish Brown.
Hey, come on now, big dog. Get your pitch. No one out now. No one out. Hey, let it fly.
Now the first pitch. And this is fouled straight back. From the belt, kicks and deals. Oh, got him a swing out of his shoes on that one. 0-2.
Yeah, he was trying to do something dramatic right there, but when you think about it, at this point in the ball game, all you need is base runners.
And oh, look out! Up and in and nearly took his head off.
Yeah, he's not trying to hit him, I don't think, but sometimes you need to keep going.
Big swing there as it's hit pretty well out toward deep left field. Adams has to retreat a bit, but he gets there for route number 1. Well, that graphic there tells you all you need to know about this particular ball game. 9-1 is our score as we draw ever nearer to the end of this one.
Saturday edition of Inside the Show. It's time to take a look back at what happened around the majors on Friday. In the National League Central, the Milwaukee Brewers were in Phoenix to take...
Matt Vasgersian here as the guys and I bring you closer to first pitch on the MLB pregame show with tonight's installment of the Bowman Prospect Spotlight. Catfish Brown is in that spotlight as he'll start and make his major league debut in this one. This has got to be one of the more significant moments in his life, right, EK?
Well, no doubt about it, Matt. Every major leaguer remembers their debut, but this one might be even more special. You know, he was a late round selection back when he got drafted, so he wasn't any kind of prize prospect as he got his career started. He's had to really earn every promotion he's received through hard work and solid play. And the payoff is this chance to play in the show. Who knows if he'll make a career out of it up here, but either way, he is a big leaguer, and that's something most people will never be able to say.
Okay, we're looking forward to this one. Lineups and first pitch on the show coming up next. Saturday night baseball here on the show as you get a look at Chase Field in downtown Phoenix. Tonight it's the third of this four-game weekend series between the Milwaukee Brewers and the Arizona Diamondbacks. Catfish Brown will dig in here.
Batting fifth, shortstop, Catfish Brown.
It's your pitch, huh? Hey, now, we got
First
one.
pitch coming.
Bud.
And this is fouled back and out of play.
Here we go, guys. Here we go.
And here's a curveball in the dirt that time for a ball. 1-1. EK, you take a look at this Diamondback ball club as they begin play here tonight. They come in not exactly setting the world on fire as they've dropped 5 of their last 8 ball games.
Yeah, and the pitching really let them down last time. Too often their guys were falling behind and having to throw fastballs on 2-0 or 3-1. That'll catch up with you after a while.
And this ball is gone. No chance to make a play on that one. Well, what a special way for him to start out his major league career. His first major league hit is also his first major league home run. Not many players can claim that.
And as a player, you're anxious to get those first out of the way as quickly as possible. So safe to say that collecting your first hit and home run with one swing of the bat, well, that's pretty sweet. Let's hope they can get out there and claim that ball for him as a souvenir, because he's going to want to keep that in his trophy case.
Chris Owings to start things off for the Diamondbacks with Paul Goldschmidt set to follow next. 2-2 pitch on the way. Hit on the